Natalie Berth here doing a profile review for Jennifer. Jennifer is a certified sexologist, sexuality educator, and coach. And I am excited to do this review because not only do I really appreciate and love the topic, but because I think it would be, she can have a lot of fun with this because people don't like talking about sex, and yet it's incredibly important, right? Because this is why we have population, right? People are just, everybody has, or not everybody, but a lot of people have sex. Okay, so the profile, the banner here right off the top. I love this picture. It's great. It's bright. It's fun. But right off the top up here, I'm not sure I would do the open to work. I would have to find out if she's looking for her own clients or what exactly that means for her. But when we're talking about the banner, it's great that it looks like she had the opportunity, that might be her, to speak at an event, which is great, but that doesn't tell us anything. And frankly, if this is Saint somebody, I think it's probably Saint Joseph's, the thing, they don't need to have their advertising. So what I would love to see her do is something just very, very direct, just something that goes along with the branding that she offers that simply says, have great sex or something to that effect, right? Just you can have a lot of fun with this because you're being very, very direct about it. Uh, this also gives her an opportunity. This is nice and clean and clear. It's already kind of interesting simply because of the topic. So she doesn't necessarily need to add a whole lot that goes with it. But she could say something like, I like to talk about sex toys, or I like to talk about consent, or, whatever it is that she wants to do. Okay. Another thing that she could easily do to increase the value of her profile here is to create uh, thumbnails that reflect her branding, right? The branding colors that do more than just leave these gray squares. That would be, and then of course verify all the links that are working. But this way, it would bring people in to look at the exactly what it is she's offering, because these are actually really, these three items are really good lead magnets or information that would be really useful. Okay, she also pays for LinkedIn, which also means that she could, if she wanted to, add graphics here. You can actually ask, you can't see it on this one, but you can add graphics here that would maybe do a carousel of the offers that she does, the cost, who she's serving. That would be a great opportunity to do that as well. Okay. And then, of course, just go and verify that all the links are right and that we have as few gray boxes as possible. Of course, there's more, but limited amount of time. So thank you to Jennifer for allowing me to review your profile.